What we're doing today is we're going to add silk dairy-free yogurt alternative made with soy. So this is like yogurt but without dairy.
Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio.
So what we do, I'm going to open it up. This is blueberry yogurt. It's already sweetened. Just as a little bit different, I'm going to add some of this on top of it. And the yogurt is very, very, very sweet. And by putting in the kumquat, it's going to balance it a little bit better. Now, if you're the type of person who likes marmalade, which is basically jam with orange peels in it, then this is going to be just perfect for you. And what you do from here is you mix it in and you eat it. I like it because I like kumquat. And every bite has not only got that nice taste, that nice yogurt alternative, but it also has a bite of the kumquat. For me, it works. I hope it works for you too. Look at this. I like it so much, it's disappearing right in front of my eyes. Don't have to use blueberry. They have strawberry and they have plain. If you want to have the subtle taste of the kumquat, use the plain. I just like sometimes to alternate. This is very, very sweet. I'm not used to eating sweets, so I use the kumquat to balance it out better.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.